Hey everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back. So today's video is a Dollar Tree haul, and everything that I found is Christmas, with the exception of this one item. And you guys, I could not believe that they have this at the Dollar Tree. Are you kidding me? A hot glue gun for $1? Yes. Okay, so I don't know if it's very good. I've not heard any reviews on this, so I don't know how well it works. But I got it. It was only $1. I thought I would try it and see how I'm going to like it. Because I do have a mini glue gun that I've had for, I don't know, probably 15, 20 years I've had it. And it's seen better days. And I did get me a new glue gun that's a little bit bigger. But I could always use another mini hot glue gun. So I got this one to try out. So I don't know. If you guys have tried this out and it works, let me know down in the comments. Let me know if you like it or not. So I couldn't believe I found this at the Dollar Tree. It's just amazing. Okay, so there's that. Okay, now you guys, I found these two things, and I've got one for Christmas and then one I'm thinking of Halloween for next year already. So, look at these, okay? These are like the DIY snow globes that you can make your own snow globe. These things are huge. These are massive. Now, I think last year they had something similar to this, but it was a lot smaller. So, I can't believe how big these are. These are humongous. But I thought I could do a DIY next year because I'm already thinking of Halloween for next year and the theme and even my costume. I'm thinking about what I'm going to do next year, but I'm going to use one of these for sure. And then I think I will be doing some sort of Christmas scene or something in this for this year. So I was totally amazed that I found those at the Dollar Tree that big. I couldn't believe it. They're huge. Okay, so Dollar Tree always carries the mini LED lights. Every year, usually every holiday, they have the different kinds of lights. And this year, they put these out, which is, what they always do. But I don't know if they've put them out in multicolors before. So anyway, I grabbed one of each color. So there's green, red, white or clear, and blue. So I thought that was amazing. So I went ahead and just grabbed one of each color. So that was pretty cool. Okay, so they had these. And I'm thinking of all kinds of things I could do with these. But these are so huge. But these are like these big giant snowflake, I don't know if you want to call them a sign or not, but maybe massive ornament you could put if you had like a really big tree. That would be cool. You could DIY them. But anyway, I thought these were really pretty, and I am going to be doing some sort of DIY with these, and I may go back and get more, but this is like made out of that chipboard or, I don't know, compressed board or something. But they have these two different shapes. Now, I don't know if they're going to have any other shapes or whatever, but I thought that was really pretty. And then this snowflake, I thought this was so pretty too. So anyway, I went ahead and grabbed those. Okay, so with those snow globe things I found, I went ahead and grabbed some of the Faux Snow that they have. They have these two different ones. They also had some in, of these little beads. They always carry these over by the Crafter Square section, and usually they're in different colors like pink and purple, but these were white, and these were also in the Christmas section. So I did go ahead and pick up some of these. They're just like little foam pellets that are in there. So I grabbed one of those, and then for this is the Faux Snow. I think that's so pretty. So I did grab one package of that. Okay, you guys. These are so stinking cute. Look. These are so cool. Like, these are the DIY, I don't know, you can paint these yourself if you want to. But honestly, I'm just going to leave mine white. Because I just like that whole aesthetic, you know, just I don't know, straight up white. I'm not going to really do anything to it. The only thing is this on this truck, it does say Mary on the side of it. So I may go in with like a black Sharpie or something like that and fill in the letters where it says Mary. But other than that, I don't think I'm going to do anything to these. So this little snowman was so cute. And they did have a Santa Claus. I did not get the Santa Claus. I don't know. I just thought I would probably do more of like a snowman type theme or whatever for Christmas and have snowmen around my house. So I thought I'd just get the snowman, and then obviously I can't pass up the farm truck because, you know, I love the farm truck. So I did grab those. Those are so cool though. Okay, hopefully those do not fall off there and break. That would suck. Okay, so they have these, and I think they had these last year. I'm pretty sure they did. They may have had like a different kind of look to them, but they are these little miniature houses. Now they have 4 out, but my stores only had 3 to choose from. The 4th one, I guess someone had come in there and bought them all up. I don't know. I just know the 4th one was missing. So hopefully I can find that 4th one. So I'll have a little Christmas village. But these are so cute. So this one looks like a church to me. So I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And then, I don't know, on the bottom, I'm thinking that there is where you remove this sticker on the bottom. You can stick a tea light on there. Take that off and see. Yeah, so you can stick a tea light or something up under there to light that up. So I thought that was really pretty. I grabbed that one, and then, excuse me, they have this one, which is, I don't know what this is exactly. It kind of looks like I don't know. It almost reminds me of a lighthouse. And I did get one that the roof is a little bit wonky. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. It's a little bit lifted up or something, so I'll have to try and fix that. But I think that is so cool. So I grabbed that one. And then they had this one, which is the cobblestone candy. So it's like a little candy shop. Look at the roof. Even that snow, that fake snow on there. And then remove this tag, you guys can see the back. So anyway, I thought those were really pretty, and I hope I can find that 4th one. And to go with that whole little village there, they had their Bottlebrush Trees, and they had some that were just plain white. And then they had this one that had a little bit of the flocking, the green tree with the flocking on it, which I like this one better just because it looks, I don't know, more realistic to me. But I feel like if you're going for like an all white sort of decor for Christmas, then just the all white Bottlebrush Trees would be nice. Or even if you're going to do like a Candyland theme or maybe a Grinch theme with the white Bottlebrush Trees, you can get those and then like hot glue some multicolored pom-poms in them or whatever to make them look a little more, I don't know, fun and playful. But I really liked these, so I just went ahead and grabbed 3 packages of these because I'm pretty sure I have quite a few from last year that I bought. So there's that. And then they had these little Christmas trees. You get 6 in a pack. So these little bitty Bottlebrush trees. And they did have these in different colors too. I wanted the white ones though. So, because I think this might look cute if I can get it. Maybe put in one of the snow globes and have like a whole little scene going on. But anyway, I went ahead and grabbed one package of those. And then you guys, I love Nutcrackers. I just love them. So, Dollar Tree has all their Nutcrackers out, or at least at my store. So I, of course, bought one of each, and hopefully I can get them all up here so that you guys can see them because there's 6. I grabbed one of each, like I said. So let me try and grab these up so that you guys can see them. Oh my goodness, we have a casualty. Hang on. Dude, are you all right? Oh gosh, come here. Oh my gosh. Okay. I think he's all right. Oh, you poor thing. I'm so sorry. Okay. Anyway, man, they just want to jump. They're ready to go, okay? So I have 6 of them here. So, you guys, I like the Nutcrackers that are made out of wood. And Dollar Tree, a few years ago, their Nutcrackers were wood. And their mouths even moved and everything. They had a little handle in the back, which I have some from, years ago. And then they went to plastic. But I really do like the wood ones better. But anyway, I grabbed these, and I'm thinking that I may go through and repaint them or something. Just to, I don't know, kind of jazz them up a little bit more. But we have this one right here with the black coat on and the red pants holding a rifle. So we have him. We have this one with a red coat on and a red hat holding a sword. And then we have this one who has a blue coat on also. And I think that's a staff or something. I don't really know. But he's holding that. And then we have this one who has a green and red coat on. And he's holding a sword. And then we have this one. He's got a green coat on, a black hat, and another sword, only his is bigger. When I think of these these Nutcrackers, I always think of that movie. Is it Babes in Toyland or something? I don't know, but so cute. And then this one is the one with the blue coat. And honestly, I don't know what that is that he's holding. Maybe it's a bell supposed to be. I don't know. Or a torch. I really don't know. But anyway, I thought he was cute too. So now I have 6 little, I don't know if you guys can see them, 6 little Nutcrackers back here. Okay, that is the end of this haul, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I hope that you all are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!